What's up, guys? It's T for Tech. Today we have got Honor 8X. Let's just unbox it. Let's just show you the specs. It's 4 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage, 6.5 Honor full view display with 20 megapixel artificial intelligence dual camera setup. And let's just show you what's inside the box. We have this is the standard phone. We are getting in the blue color. There are two different variants, blue, red, and a black. Yeah, inside the box we have some SIM card detection to some paperwork, warranty, and free cover. Yep, something is free. And let's just show you the SIM tray. Yeah, on the right side we have the volume rockers and the power button, and on the left we have the SIM card tool ejection, SIM card tray, and the back we have plastic glass back and dual camera setup. Fingerprint is very on the perfect place. Yeah, on a very good place. Let's just on the bottom we have speakers vent and USB 3.0, not a USB-C type port, and then we have volume jack, headphone jack. This is the SIM card tray we are getting. What is like this? It's not a hybrid one. You can use 2 SIM cards at a time with a memory card. Now let's just boot it up. Vertical design, dual camera, vertical design like an iPhone X. We are Android 8.0 Oreo and 4 gigs of RAM, 2.2 octa-core processor, standard charger, Huawei branding, and 3.0 micro USB cable, and we have headphones over here, earpods we call. And let's just take it aside. This all stuff is crazy, and this is what we have in the phone. This is wallpaper changing. It's a very good feature in Huawei you can use. And then we talk about the settings. Out of 128 gigs of storage, what we are getting? We are getting 115 gigs of storage, and then due to some bloatware apps, and it's a Huawei EMUI. Which one? Let me just show you there. EMUI 8. It's a 8.2.0 Android version 8.1. We are getting Oreo. Yeah. And then talking about the camera, its camera is quality. I found that it's an artificial intelligence camera with 20 megapixel shooting, and it's having a portrait mode over here, night mode, aperture. Some sample shots are available like this one I've got. Yes, camera details are good one, and this is a front facing camera. Yes, and I'll show you the camera shots again after that. And more, we are getting some AR lens, artificial intelligence lens, and then more some light painting. This is a pro feature. You can use the flash to capture the people as you're shooting in the light painting mode. Okay, some star trails, silky water, traffic trails. Yeah, these are the light effectings when you're using them for the photography of the lights, and some city lighting and video making effects. That's all. And shooting capacity, let's just show you that it's having a 4:3, 80 megapixel resolution. And then not using the night, we are using the photo, and then it's like this. And watermark, some simple editing tools, moving pictures enabled, artificial intelligence, and then you can just check you the. Let me just show you the sound quality. Cleanser. A better one, yeah, a better one. If you talk about the vents, there are better one. And tools like we have the flashlight, standard flashlight, and then we have weather calculator, mirror, and phone cloning. And like you can use your old phone to back up that one with this one. And then file manager, a standard phone setups, and I'll give you the shots of the phone's camera review. And that's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any video. Hit the comment section if you want to ask anything about this phone, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Thanks guys.